The Donkey, the Cockerel, and the Lion. Ye day a cockerel and a donkey were stonin in an auld firm yard, when in loups a sterving lion, nearly catching them off guard. His een was on the donkey, he was a' set to pounce, when cockle-doodle-doo the cockerel did pronounce. This stoppit Leo in his tracks. He lost his appetite for meat, for he aye feared the cockerel's call, and made a tactical retreat. The donkey's courage rose at this, seeing Leo's loss of face. After him at breakneck speed, he quickly did gie chase. Gaining ground with every stride, there could only be yin winner, till Leo turned round about and had the donkey for his dinner.